Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's tonight. Sorry, this angle is like so horrible right now, but I just want to record a quick intro real quick. If you don't know, like I said, my name is Tanara. This is my channel. I just want to record a few days of my life, do a little vlog, you know, something simple, some content. Right now I'm going to this makeup appointment I have, like a beauty class pretty much. I really want to get more into makeup, and I figured I would just start off by taking the class first, you know, get my bases down covered, general just how to do makeup, and then go from there and learn on my own. So yeah, I'm going to take you guys to that, probably show you some footage of it. Today's really a simple day. I'm not too busy, I just have one class today. Wednesdays are usually more of my longer days class-wise, but it was really busy, so I was like, I'm not gonna film. I'll just do this on a day where I can have more time to film and actually pay attention to the camera. So I decided to today. So yeah, I'm about to go to the class and show you guys some content of that and whatever I do after.
So you want to keep it looks really good. I want you to keep going over those lines. The exact lines you did, go over them with more product. You want those lines to be crisp. Really take your time. I love it, but if you use too much of it, it cracks.
Yeah.
Like the black. So I use that as like a base underneath, and then just put a thin layer of that on top, and it's perfect. It's smooth and matte, and it's great.
I think I
really good.
did the best I could. What the current look is looking like so far. I'm still gonna do the face, but yeah. Just wanted to show you guys. I did this side. She did that side. See you guys later.
Close your eyes for me.
Hey guys, I'm back again. Sorry for the weird angle. I'm trying to like figure out like how to film. I need like a tripod for my phone for when I do like setups that are in weird spots. But as you guys last seen, I was at my makeup appointment class lesson. She taught me a lot. She was really nice. She was sweet, and I think I learned a lot. I kind of want to go get some products sometime this weekend maybe to start doing my looks and practicing on my own. But I think the class was good overall. This blonde looks so cute on me. I feel like the camera's not doing it justice, but it looks so good on me. Anyways, but yeah, so today was a short day too. I'll probably film the rest of this weekend as well, but pretty chill day. I just had my a class and then the research lab meeting that I'm in, and the rest is just chill. I think I'm gonna try and finish editing and upload this video for tomorrow, if not at the very latest Sunday. But yeah, that's pretty much it for right now. I'm gonna have to go to the store later. If I do, I'll take you guys with me. But yeah, pretty boring life, but it's fine and I'm glad to have it. So I'll just shut around. See you guys later. I'm like the worst vlogger ever. But about to finish shopping. I really look crazy talking to myself, but we're gonna go with it anyways. Because we gotta up our talking skills in public, even on my screen. But alright, bye. We'll see you guys later. Okay, let's play a game, guys. Who is the worst vlogger ever? I'll give you guys a couple seconds to, you know, decide. If you haven't figured it out, I'm the worst vlogger ever. I'm still like not really sure how to talk to a camera yet, even though it's really not that hard. But I don't even know what kind of footage I've gotten these past few days. I really haven't done anything but schoolwork and go to my job, so we'll see if I have any footage. I'll probably vlog tomorrow as well, just to get some extra footage with whatever I have, but we'll see. If not, I'm still gonna post it. You learn, you try to figure out how to record what works best, honestly. But right now I'm gonna do some chemistry homework, and that's about it. I have an 8 a.m. lab that I have to go to, so I said I'm gonna go to sleep as soon as I'm finished, but I'm probably not. And then I wonder why I'm tired in the morning. But anyways, yeah, that's it for right now. I'll probably show you a little bit of me doing the chemistry homework, but other than that, I just really went just shopping today. That's pretty much it. And I have work in the morning. But can we talk about these new Crocs I have? I think I showed it in the video of me shopping, but if not, I'll insert a picture. But those are so cute. So cute. Mom says they look exactly like the other ones I have, which I'll show you the picture too, but I feel like they're the same, but they're not. They're completely different. But she thinks they're the same. Anyways, Crocs up in the game. Like, I feel like I need 30 pairs, but those are my new ones and they're cute. But yeah, that's it for right now. I'll show you me doing a little more homework, most likely, maybe, probably. And that's it, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. I need to buy like a car mount because this setup is not working in my Honda. I feel like the angle looks weird. Let me fix my hair real quick. But guess where we're going, guys? Ew, let me redo that. Guess where we're going, guys? Ew, why do I sound so weird today? But we're about to go to Target because I took this beauty class and I don't have like any makeup, so I want to see if I can find at least some brushes. I have a palette that I want to test out and use, but I want to find some brushes, especially the ones that she recommended, because I like the way they worked on me. So, and she said that they were available at Target too, so I want to go see whatever they have. I'm not too sure yet about getting any palettes because I want to try a little bit of a higher end palette, but I'm still a beginner, so best to try the lower end ones. But we'll see. I'll let you guys know. Well, I'll show you guys. Let's go. So far, I think I'm just gonna get this real technique brush set. Makeup is so intimidating. Like, there's so much stuff. I'm not sure what exactly to get. I did get this like gel liner, but I think I want to get a liquid one as well. Again, this is like the worst angle ever, but we're gonna do what we work with. We're gonna use what we work with until I can get a tripod that works with my phone, because right now I'm recording on my phone. I usually record on camera, but this is what I have right now. So I went to Target first. I didn't really get much because, again, I want to start off little, and then once I get more used to it, well, makeup wise, I'll progress with more stuff. But I did get the, like I showed you guys before on the store, got the Real Techniques face makeup and cheek combo set that they had. It was like 20 bucks. It was pretty affordable, and I like the way that they felt on my skin when she was teaching me how to do my makeup. So I got this, and then I got just this like elf mini palette, or the bite size eyeshadow palettes they have. I have the one in Carnival Candy, which I like. I want to try out first because I like that blue shade, but I just never got around to really going too deep into it. And then I also got the hot jalapeno because I really want to try a green look as well. So that's what I got from Target. I also went to the dollar store. It's got some pens for school. And then just a notebook for my chemistry class so I can take some better notes by subject because we get to business, you feel me? Good grades all semester. That's what we do. Oh, and then I also got a liquid liner from there because Target's was like $15 and I'm like, $15 for it's a better deal. I feel like, I mean, I've tried that one before and it works good, so I'd rather just get the one I'm used to and the cheap one at that. And then it's got some body wash, the coconut. I'm not a huge fan of like coconut, like eating it, like I don't like the taste of it, but the smell of it is actually really good on the body. I got the coconut butter scrub, I think it's shea butter, I think. And then just some deodorant because they know you gotta smell right. And that's it. I'll talk to you guys later. I think this is the last day I'm gonna use doing this little vlog. I'll do a better one next time, but you live and you learn. I keep saying this is like the 5th time I've said that in this video, but it's really true. You live and you learn. Hopefully my next few vlogs will be a lot better than this, but getting used to the camera and talking to the camera like I'm talking to somebody, but we'll get better. Okay, I don't know how good this lighting is right now, but I try to do makeup look. Don't judge me, okay? I'm still learning, but it did not come out great. But this eyebrow, y'all better not play with me, okay? Y'all not playing with me. This eyebrow is so much better than what I usually be doing, so I'm glad something caught on with me quick. But as far as eyeshadow, I definitely need to practice more, obviously, but yeah, we trying to learn something. That's about it. Okay, so before, I just didn't take this makeup off yet. I need to. I like smudge it all up. But anyways, before I end this little vlog, I did like 4 loads of laundry. I have to fold all these clothes. So I think I'm just gonna add that into here. I didn't really need to organize. I think I'm gonna do another video where I organize my drawers because I have some clothes that I don't even wear anymore. I need to get rid of and make room for new clothes. So I might do a little video on that in the future. But for right now, I'm just gonna fold this and put it away and call this vlog a day. So you guys can watch me do that real quick. Just a little snippet. Okay, I'm gonna end this vlog off now. It's been a boring few days, but that's all I have. Obviously, as time goes on, I hope to really, get better with filming. Why do I feel like I'm not in the center? All right, there we go. Like I'm saying, I hope to, get better with filming and talking and knowing when to record, how to record, things like that. So bear with me as I go on this journey figuring out how to be a better YouTuber. I know I said that a million times, but yeah, I'm still learning. It's only like my 6th, 7th video or whatever. So the point is I'm still learning. So thank you guys for having patience with me, those who viewed my videos so far. Anyways, as always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll be back soon with another video. I'll see you guys.